era of the internet, anyone can make $100,000. The problem is, everyone is consuming garbage on the internet instead of producing value. That's why in this video, I will give you 5 ways to make your first $100,000 online. Number 1. Faceless Instagram channels. I will start with a very underrated way of making money online. It's called Faceless Instagram channels. If you have Instagram, you've probably seen many big pages that don't have a person showing their face. For example, the Instagram account Millionaire Mentors has over 10 million followers, and they just make simple posts related to business with some photos or a simple text or quote. Anyone can make photos just like this using any of the free image editors right here. You may be asking, how does anyone actually make money from this, considering Instagram doesn't have built-in monetization features? There are multiple ways to do this, like accepting sponsorship deals or doing affiliate marketing. But the way I recommend is through selling shoutouts, meaning someone will pay you to post them on your Instagram story. You see, there are many people that want to grow their own Instagram page and sell their own products. For example, many fitness guys will be interested in buying a shoutout from a big fitness page. It can help them get online coaching clients. Entrepreneurs will be interested in buying shoutouts from big business pages. And I know people that have spent thousands of dollars on getting Instagram shoutouts themselves on many different Instagram pages. There is so much demand for it, and not enough people know about it yet. Now, you can sell shoutouts on places like shoutcard.com, but that won't even be necessary as you gain more followers, because people will reach out to you and DM you asking if they can buy a shoutout. Now, let's say you'd sell each shoutout for $100. Then that means you'd need to sell 1,000 shoutouts to make $100,000. Now, a lot of the people that I personally know don't just run one faceless Instagram channel. They run multiple accounts. Some of them even have more than 15 different big accounts. Think about the possibility there, selling shoutouts on all those different accounts. And not only that, you could also use these accounts to promote affiliate products or your own products to make even more money. If you want to try this out, I have a completely free blueprint that will help you grow your Instagram followers. It's in the link down below if you want to use it. Now, I will say that any skill takes some time and effort. Nothing comes easy. The world is competition. So whatever you do, you must be willing to crush your competition. Number 2. Faceless YouTube channels. Just like faceless Instagram channels, you can run faceless YouTube channels. FarFromWeak is also a faceless channel. You may wonder why I speak about making faceless money when it comes to making your first 100K. And that's because I'm specialized at this. My field of expertise is making money from the shadows. This is why you've seen this channel rise to over 1 million subscribers in only 10 months' time. Now, I will say this, there is a lot of garbage and outdated information on YouTube automation online. And that is why everyone that tries to copy me fails. They simply don't know how to pull it off. I may make a full guide on this skill in the future, and that would certainly change your life. But in the meantime, you could go for the faceless Instagram channels. Number 3. Sales. I always say, one of the best career paths is sales. It's a timeless skill, and it's actually one of the most useful skills for life. Most people underestimate how powerful sales is. And although you can certainly make $100,000 with sales, I would say mastering the skill itself is much more valuable and will bring you more income in the future. Number 4. Freelancing. We live in a creator economy. People are always willing to pay creators. I'm talking about being a video editor, a script writer, or an artist. Let's say you're good at writing scripts. You can go to websites like Upwork or Fiverr and find thousands of people looking to pay a scriptwriter to write their script. And here's what makes this even easier. Even if you're not the best scriptwriter, you can still make this work if you know how to hustle. You see, nowadays you can use automated tools like ChatGPT or Jasper AI to help write things for you extremely fast. And because most people don't know how to use ChatGPT yet, this is a huge advantage for scriptwriters. If you do decide to use AI to write your scripts, always make sure to go through and fix anything. Write it within your own words and make it as valuable as you can to your client. You can always check in with something like Copyscape to make sure it's original and unique. Listen. You never want to be delivering garbage quality, no matter what you do, because short-term thinking and screwing people over is never going to work out well in the long run. So aim to become good at whatever you do, even if you do use AI for your work. Lastly, make sure you charge at least $30 per 2,000-word article. Number 5. Sell a course. After mastering one of these skills, you can teach it to others and make a lot of money from it. Now, some people are afraid to sell an online course because people will call them a scammer. Listen, every entrepreneur has bought courses before. They all invest in themselves. The truth is, only broke people call everything a scam because most broke people are too pathetic to ever invest in themselves. They don't understand the reality of planet Earth. They would rather spend money on designer clothes and a PlayStation than to invest in their education. In fact, most broke people invest thousands of hours and dollars in getting a useless degree, so you can't take them serious. Here's the only thing you should know when you want to sell an online course. Make sure you actually know what you're talking about. Get people of a high level to help you if needed, and only sell your knowledge when you know it's high quality. No amount of money is worth burning your reputation over. That being said, teaching others your skills and knowledge is a great way to earn money. So consider it if you have any great skills at the moment. By the way, if you want to level up in life, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. Until next time.